Hello everyone, this is Sundar Firdaus. Today I am presenting GenAI project on Gemini Flash Smart GenAI with full RAG and lightweighted retrieval augmented generation RAG for YouTube videos and news article insights. So here about the project. Gemini Flash Assistant is a cutting-edge GenAI powered tool designed to condense long-form content like YouTube videos and online news articles into concise, meaningful summaries within a second. Powered by Google Gemini, semantic search, RAG, and transformer-based sentence embedding. The assistant enables users to consume complex information quickly and intelligently. Whether you are trying to stay updated, learn faster, or make research effortless, Gemini Flash gives you exactly what you need without a fluff. Here are some key features. GenAI powered summaries, YouTube transcript extraction, news parsing, RAG and lightweight RAG, smart Q&A, fast embedding search, interactive console interface. Here are the capabilities I used into my capstone project. The capabilities are structure output, control generation, few shot prompting, document video audio understanding, function calling, long context window, GenAI evaluation, sentiment analysis, Q&A from summaries, summarization, embedding, grounding, vector search, RAG. Why use Gemini Flash? In today's fast-paced digital world, the flood of content can be overwhelming. Gemini Flash Assistant save your time and boost your productivity by distilling essential insights from lengthy videos or articles. Built with Python programming language, used Google Generative AI software development kit, Gemini 2.0 Flash as a GenAI model, YouTube Transcript API, Sentence Transformer, Skit-learn, YTDLP for metadata. Here are some use cases. We can use this project for learning from edtech videos from YouTube, analysis news report, for research paper, staying update in technology and any course, content creation planning, AI ML developing tool. I use lightweight rack and full rack into my project. Basically, lightweight rack quickly retrieve and generate with minimal resources and will give you the output. Full rack provide in-depth retrieval and generation while using more resources. So when we have to use lightweight rack and full rack, so here is the answer. Best for quick real-time tasks, we can use lightweight rack. It will give you the question. It will give you the answer by answering the question, and it is used for a small scale project, and it will give you the answer in minimal time. While using full rack, it is basically used for scalable long-term application that require intelligent document retrieval, context, and memory over large data set. Here are some key points that we need to remember. The component like LLM, I used Gemini 2.0 Flash for both lightweight rack and full rack. Retrieval, it will manually fetch the YouTube transcript and from a YouTube video and news HTML from the news article video or any article. And full rack, it will do embedding and semantic similarity search. For storage, it will use raw or temporary data, and for full rack it will use vector dataset. I use FAISS in my project. I used embedding for full rack. I used memory. It is optional. We can, if you want to store our chat history, so we can do this with the help of full rack. And complexity, lightweight rack, it's less complicated as compared to full rack, while full rack requires more setup, deeper coding. And here in lightweight rack, we can use for one video or one article at a time. But for full rack, we can use n number of YouTube video and article. Like it will handle hundreds of documents and YouTube video. at a time, and we can ask as many as questions we want. So here I've set up. I used Google GenAI 1.7.0 version for my project, and here is the setup for my API key. So you just need to click on add-on button, click on secret, click on add secret, and add your key here as well as value. Just make sure that you use Google API key as your label and add your API key value here. For now, I'm canceling it. Now move on to next. I used some dependencies. I installed it already on my project. Now move on to code. So currently we will do Q&A of news article with lightweight RAG. So if I run this, so here as you can see, I mentioned the random URL of news article. I picked one news article from BBC News and use it here and asked a few questions. So you need to mention the question here and it will give you the relevant answer. Now move on to next. Here are some libraries I imported to use to summarize the news article. Here's the function that I've created to summarize the news article. Let me run this. Now, this is a function I used for Q&A for the news article. It will this function will give you automatically 3 questions along with their answers of that article. And here's the sentiment. I use it for my project, and it will give you the response in positive, negative, and neutral along with the reason. And here's the function that I created to evaluate the news article out of 10. It will evaluate according to accuracy, conciseness, clarity, and relevance. Now, here, this function is used to convert the text into the audio. So now I will run all the function that we discussed above here and we'll see the output. Okay. So the URL I have mentioned here, and as you can see, I'm getting the output. Currently, I got the news summary along with the audio clip. I got the evaluation of the news summaries. It rates 7 out of 10, and here is the reason how it evaluated. And here are some Q&A, as it will give by default 3 questions along with their answers, along with audio clip. And here the sentiment, it will give the sentiment of the content, like is it negative, positive, neutral, or mixed. So it is slightly negative undertone, and here is the reason why it gave it so. Like largely it is neutral and slightly negative. So here are some reasons how it gives the sentiment along with the audio clip if you want to listen it. So you can download it and adjust it according to your convenience, the playback speed. Here are some here are some packages I installed into my project. Okay, so now we can do the full RAG for the news article for Q&A. So let me run this. Okay, so what it will do? Okay, so here it will give you the response. Like I pasted URL here, like as many as you want to paste it. So paste it here and redefine your question here, whatever question you want to ask. So just paste it here and run this code. It will automatically give you the most relevant answer by fetching the latest data. So as you can see, okay, now move on to next. For YouTube video, I installed some package dependencies into my project, and here I imported a library to summarize the YouTube video transcript. It will summarize it. Okay. Now here, this function will basically give you the 3 question by default of the YouTube video that you will paste as an URL in the code. Here, the sentiment, it will give you the response in positive, negative, neutral, mixed what kind of feeling it is give. It will fetch it and give you the response. And here it will evaluate the YouTube video. Run this code. So this function will evaluate the YouTube video, and here all the function that I mentioned above for the YouTube. Let me run this. So as you can see, for a lightweight rack, we can only use one URL. Here you need to mention the one URL, and it will give you the summaries, uh, summary and evaluation of the YouTube video, 3 question and answer, and sentiment in neutral, positive, negative, and along with the reason and audio clip as well. So the YouTube video that you need to use, let me see. Okay. So here are the YouTube videos. Just make sure that it should be in English language, and this icon, subtitle icon, should be enabled. So just directly copy this and paste it. Uh, okay, so copy and paste it here, and it will give you the response. Now move on to a next one. So I installed some dependencies and import the libraries for lightweight rack. So here I need to play this. So it will give you the response. As I already pasted video URL. So I can only paste only one URL, and here are a few questions that I need to ask related to that video YouTube video, and it will give you the response. For full rack, I installed this package and will import the library here. Okay, I think that function is still running. Okay. So it will give you the response. Let me rerun this again. Okay, just to show you that it is running. So it start fetching the video title, processing the video. First video is completed, second video processing completed, third video processing also completed, fourth video processing also completed, and fifth video processing also completed. Now it will answer the questions as I mentioned here. As I mentioned, these questions and these multiple URLs, you can use as many as you want. Just make sure that this icon should be enabled, and it should be in English language. Just copy and paste the URL. You are good to go. And run the code. You will get the answer. As you can see, lots of question I asked and I got the answer. So this is for this video for my project. Thank you.